Sanity. Attention. Sanity. Good morning to Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the respected teachers present in this morning assembly, and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. I am Prachi Khetwal, student of class 10, here in front of you to command the assembly. Class attention. Sanity. As you know, prayer is a link between God and us. So for prayer, I would like to call class 10 boys.
तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर। तेरी है ज़मीन, है तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर। तेरी है ज़मीन, है तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शीश कर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश कर। तेरी मर्जी से है मालिक, हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं, तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं। तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाए हैं। तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना, किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना। तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना, किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना।
To our nation, here comes Bhupesh Khetwal for his play.
Honorable Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, and all the worthy teachers of Trent Academy, and my dear friends, myself Bhupesh Khetwal from class 10. Today I am present here to say the pledge. Get ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I shall show respect to my parents, teachers and elders. I shall show kindness to anyone, to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along life happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. जय हिंद, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Class sanity. Attention. Sanity. A motivational thought can change your whole day. So for motivational thought, here comes Rishabh Khetwal.
Myself Rishabh Khetwal from class 10. Today's my thought is, if you are fail, do not underestimate yourself, because fail means first attempt in learning. I repeat my thought in Hindi. अगर आप कभी असफल हो जाते हैं तो अपने आप को कम मत समझिए, क्योंकि असफल का मतलब होता है सीखने में पहला प्रयास। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Attention. Sanity. Now I would like to call Dhruv Singh for news headlines.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Trent Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, very warm good morning to all of you. Myself, Dhruv Singh Rawat, student of class 10, standing here to deliver today's news headlines. And today's news headlines are as follows. First news from international. Protest intensify in Sri Lanka over killing anti-government protester. Japan declare emergency in Tokyo. Other three cities struck by COVID-19. Now some news from national. 4.2 magnitude earthquake hits Kargil, Jammu Kashmir. Rising COVID-19 cases in Delhi 1042 cases in 24 hours and 2 deaths. Now some news from sports. Yesterday was the match between Rajasthan Royals and Delhi Capitals. Rajasthan Royals beats Delhi Capitals by 15 runs. Today is the match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Gujarat Titans. Now some news from temperature. Today is the temperature of Bageshwar is 20 degrees Celsius and weather is sunny. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Class attention. Stand at ease. Now I would like to call Nawar Singh Khati for his article.
Good morning all of you. Myself, Noel Khati from class 10th. Today my article is based on a small story, and the story starts from a village where a boy and girl named Sanjay and Sanya lived. There was a rumor in the village that the precious stones are found near the river. So one day Sanya was gone to the river and collected some precious stone. So he taken the precious stone to the diamond merchant. Diamond merchant said, these are not much precious, but I can give you little money. Sanya had no much knowledge, so she have given the precious stone to the diamond merchant, and she have taken money. Some day later, Sanjay gone to the river and collected some stones and gone to the diamond merchant. Sanjay having much more knowledge, and he have shown precious stone to the diamond merchant. Diamond merchant seen the stones and said, these are not much precious. But Sanjay said, these are diamonds and these are very precious. So give me much money. So the diamond merchant give him more money, and Sanjay gone back. As here, Sanjay and Sanya both having same stones, but their knowledge are different. So the moral of the story is, knowledge makes a big difference. So gathering more knowledge is very important. Thank you.
Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Now here comes Raja Singh for his GK questions.
Myself, Raja Singh from class 10th. Today's GK questions are, my first question is, how many total number of oceans in world? No, the right answer is 5. My next question is, in which subject Dr. Radhakrishna had done his post-graduation? I repeat my question once again. In which subject Dr. Radhakrishna had done his post-graduation? Yes, the right answer is philosophy. Which is the biggest island in the world? Yes, the right answer is Greenland. My next question is, what is the full form of BCCI? I repeat my question once again. What is the full form of BCCI? Say. Yes, Board of Cricket Council of India is the right answer. My next question is, how many medal India won in Tokyo in year 2020? 7. Yes, the right answer is 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, all of you.
I'm Kavya Khetwal
I'm Kavya Khetwal
from class LKG.
from LKG.
Poem start.
आलू का चालू बेटा कहाँ गए थे? बैगन की टुकड़ी में सो रहे थे। बैगन ने लात मारी रो रहे थे। मम्मी ने प्यार किया हंस रहे थे। पापा ने पैसे दिए नाच रहे थे। भैया ने लड्डू दिए खा रहे थे।
Sir, respected principal ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my all hard-working students, a very fresh and warm good morning to all of you. So today I am here standing in front of you I'm not going here to share a thought or to share any story, moral story. But what I'm saying from here is I'm sharing a feedback to all the classes, that what they are doing inside the class and how they are preparing themselves and what they are doing, right? So what is going on in the class? Beta, you all are physically getting present inside the class. But what about your mentality? By your mind, you are outside the class. You are thinking something else. The teacher is telling you the important concepts with its full energy, with its dedication. But what you guys are doing, you are not paying attention to the concepts and topics, by which the concepts and topics you are not getting to understand. So what's happened? You are just postponing the concepts or postponing the things that, okay, what's happened nowadays? There is no test, no exams. So we will learn it the night before the exams or test. So at that point of time, you are going to recite the answers. You are going to recite the question and answers. You are not understanding the concept. So what's happened? You get remember those answers for a day, for a couple of days. But what after a couple of weeks or couple of months? You will forget each and everything what you have learned. So do not try to recite them. Try to understand the concepts. And the way by which you can understand, you can get your options clear, is the only way. You have to listen your teachers inside the class. When you are going to listen your teachers, you will able to understand each and every concept. And many of the classes, I just observed that when the teachers completely explain the concepts or topics, they ask you, beta, you got it, you get it, what you did, you just shake your heads. You don't say yes, you don't say no, you just shake your head. That means कि you got the concept, आपको आ चुका है. So we do not get कि आपको आया है कि नहीं आया है until unless you are going to tell us, right? So you have to tell us that, okay, the concepts are not clear. You have to cross questions to your teachers. Then only the teacher can make your concepts and doubts clear. Getting all of you? So beta, this is one of the most important thing, hearing and listening the teacher inside the class. Do not just sit vacant and thinking, just be on your own thoughts, thinking about your home, thinking about other things. You discuss all those lame discussion you do. Accept it. Try to do the cross questioning to the teachers. Try to ask the concepts. Try to ask the topics. It will help you. It will increase your memory and it will increase your knowledge also. So that's it, student. Now it's up to you whether you will take this feedback or not. But that's up to you. So thank you very much.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा ऊंचल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नावे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तब जया गाथा जन मन गण नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Attention, stand at ease. Show your hankies. Principal ma'am to say a few words.
Honorable Chairman, sir, all the teachers and my lovely students, first of all, very warm good morning to all of you. Yes, I hope you all are fine, right? All are fine? Okay, how are you feeling today? After this assembly, how you are feeling? Good. Energetic? So have you find any difference today's assembly than that of yesterday? What difference you have found today? Any improvement found today? Yes or no? Yes. So today's assembly, it was better than that of yesterday one. Why this? Because how this improvement came? Practice. Okay? Practice and focus and interest. So these three things, if you daily regulate your life and your every work, so definitely you will get success. So it will improve. So this is the things you can do, and so you have to do also in everything, your studies, your daily work, your all the activities. Clear? Okay. So and apart from this assembly, so the moral speech, you can say moral one story by Nawal Khati. That was the story was very nice, and it was very inspirational. Why? Because so he said in that about your knowledge only, whatever we daily telling to you. Okay, so if you have the lack of knowledge, so anyone can make to you fool. Okay, so that's why half knowledge and lack of knowledge is dangerous for us. So that's why gain the full knowledge, right? Okay, and others, the very best part of this today's assembly is that feedback given by Kamal sir. So it was also very nice, knowledgeable. So at daily all the teachers are giving thoughts and moral stories. So beside these, today some new innovation was also started here by the teachers. So that was also appreciable. So give the big hand to all these. So in this way, I hope after listening all these things from your assemblies, from the stage, by your teachers, by the other students, so you will, I hope that you will follow in your life, and so then you will be perfect in your life. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.
Serenity, attention. Row number first about 10. Row number third about 10. Row number fifth about 10. Row number seventh about 10. Move now.